Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly. And remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. A simple round shape is waiting to become something cute. Wiggle your fingers, take a happy breath, and let's begin our magical drawing adventure together.
Yay!
Look, two shiny eyes appear. Blink, blink. Our little friend is waking up and looking around. Give it your biggest smile and say hello. Oh, a tiny yellow nose popped in. Sniff, sniff. Maybe our friend smells flowers, cookies, or rainbow air. What do you smell today?
Okay.
Wow, two pointy ears are here. Now it looks like a sweet kitty. Meow. Those ears are listening to birds, giggles, and sunshine.
Yay!
Tickle, tickle! Long whiskers have grown on both sides. Wiggle your nose like a kitty. Our cute friend is getting more playful.
Yay!
Look near the ear. A pretty bow appears like a tiny gift. It makes our kitty look cheerful, fancy, and ready for fun.
Yay!
Oops. The bow jumped to the other side. Silly bow. Point left, then right. Drawing surprises can make the picture even more fun.
Yes!
Now a little body appears under the face. Hooray! Our kitty can sit proudly, wave hello, and get ready for a happy adventure.
Okay.
A tiny heart appears on the front. How sweet! Put your hand on your heart. Kindness makes every drawing warmer and happier.
Yay!
Soft pink color fills the outfit. It looks like strawberry ice cream. Swish, swish goes the brush, making our kitty brighter. Ta-da! The heart turns bright red. Clap, clap, clap. It shines with love and reminds us to share smiles with everyone.
Yay!
Amazing! The outfit is now bold red. Toss imaginary confetti. Our kitty looks ready for games, dancing, and joyful celebration.
Okay.
Look closely. The bow is bright red too. It sparkles on top of the kitty's head. Say, "You look amazing, little kitty."
Yes!
Bow, outfit, face, and heart. Wiggle your shoulders and clap along. Drawing is imagination and joy. take one more look at our adorable kitty. Every line helped tell a sweet story. Wave to the butterflies in our magical garden.
Wow!
Hooray! Our colorful kitty is complete. Give yourself a big clap. Keep drawing, keep smiling, and let your imagination shine. Goodbye, meow.